Hello everyone, today we are going to make a beautiful butterfly like this. So let's begin. The things required for our butterfly is glue, scissors, 12 by 12 centimeter color sheet and 2 strips of the color sheet. So let's begin. Now you're going to take your 12 by 12 centimeter color sheet and you're going to fold it half. Now you're going to open your paper, then you're going to fold the paper like this way. It should look like this. Now we are going to fold a half like this. And then again open it and then fold it like this, and then you're going to open it. Now you're going to take your colored sheet and fold like this way, and the other part you're going to fold like this. It should look like this. Now you're going to take the upper part and fold like this. It should look like this. Do the same to the other side. Now we are going to fold it zigzag pattern. It should look like this. Now we are going to take a strip and we are going to make an antenna with this. Now you are going to roll on each side and apply gum. Do the same to the other side. Now it will look like this. Now we are going to fold it half like this. Now we are going to apply gum on the edge of this side. And put it on your butterfly. Okay, now you're going to take the other strip and put this strip round and round like. Now our butterfly is ready. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.